first thing I want to say is that we're living in a miracle right now. If you've ever doubted that miracles happen, your doubts should be relieved. The miracle is that you're here for the purpose of healing from all walks of life. And we're not looking to each other first for the healing. We're not looking to government policies. All those things will be dealt with in due time. We're looking to heaven. We're inviting heaven into our community today by doing this heaven's way.
Justice, respect, and inclusion are at the forefront of everything that we do as a community. Now, therefore, we, Buddy Dyer, Mayor of the City of Orlando, Regina Hill, District 5, City Commissioner, Bakari Burns, District 6, City Commissioner, and the entire Orlando City Council, do hereby proclaim Friday, June 5th, 2020 as Walk of Mourning and Restoration Day in the City of Orlando.
There's a time to weep, there's a time to mourn, there's a time to heal.
Let's heal and let's build. Let's heal and let's build. Relationships. Let's build this city together. Let's turn around institutional racism. Let's talk about racial equity.
The tragedies that we face in our nation can't be healed by us because they've been caused by us. And if you can't fix something with something that's broken, you have to take it back to the manufacturer. The one who made us loves us. We have not loved each other like we should.
And understand today, I'm not trying to ask white people to be guilty. I'm not asking you to feel guilty. That is not what this is about. I'm not asking you to feel bad about being white. Be proud of being white. Just as you ought to be proud of being black or brown, be proud of who you are. But what I am trying to help you see is the gospel calls us to recognize the value of all people. The gospel calls us to recognize that we carry one another's burdens. And so the white community stands with the black community today, and we want to carry your burden.
We love each other only if we're of the same political party, the same ethnicity, the same preferences, or whatever it may be. But today we're going to love each other because we're human beings. Created in the image of an amazing God.
I am sorry for the injustices that have happened across our nation by law enforcement to people of color. I am sorry for the injustices that have happened in our own community by law enforcement to people of color.
Do you realize that since 2014 there were 400 unjust murders just from 2014? And all of those need to be mourned by all of us. So what we've done is taken 100 of those and made them the focus of our mourning today. Thus wearing black. Mourning walk. Because we want the world to know that in Orlando, we're going to do it differently. We're going to do it differently in Orlando.
I don't care whether you're black, whether you're brown, whether you're white, whether you're the church, whether you're in the streets, whether you're business, or whether you're law enforcement. Don't stop moving.